Are you having audio problems?
Sound problem.
Oh, are we?
Problem.
Oh sh.
Oh, ah.
Oh.
It's fighting back.
Oh. Try to brainstorm some ideas. We'll just do Cream Machine 2.0. Creme Machine, yeah, okay, that works.
The creme machine.
The Creme Machine.
It's the creme de la creme.
Oh, here we are.
Desktop
Hell yeah.
environment.
No, don't have it discoverable by other devices.
Of course, you download Firefox.
Welcome to the. Oh my god, why is it full screen?
I don't know. I hate on school PCs especially because like it forgets it every time.
Wait, does it actually
Although
say
that would be a
please
funny
stay?
conclusion.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't say please stay. Damn, it's not begging us.
It only
I'm
does
sure
that
it
for
will, though.
Chrome, I think.
Oh, it does. It does only do it for Chrome. Bro, for Firefox, it just doesn't give a shit. Let's get down to business. What did we download first?
Barflies on desktop. That's
Alright.
like the #1 first thing.
Download now. Download now. Soft 32 sounds very trustworthy.
Let's bring back a classic. Instead of Breaking Bad, let's do
Better Call Saul.
Of course.
Call Saul. Yeah.
Yep. Set.
Make sure it's stretched out. Make sure it's stretched.
Alright, what does this look like? Yes!
I've officially taken over this PC, and now I shall conquer the world.
Oh, we haven't even downloaded the actual thing yet. Oh, that's not blue. That means it's gonna be very infected.
It's very trustworthy. Yes, yes.
Windows
Very
7. Look at that Windows 7 orb right there. You know what?
For now, at least.
Create a desktop icon. Absolutely. Now that we have that installing, finish. Okay, yeah, there we go. Now what else should we do? Oh, what? Oh, why did Edge open? Butterfly. Oh. Oh.
Oh, just for fun. Oh.
Oh, I can get free document converters? No way.
Free?
Let's get
Add
it.
to Edge, it's free. No way.
Let's look up some free games as well, like Minecraft or
Compatible.
Bejeweled.
Dude, we
Right.
gotta get Roblox from Totally Roblox. You know?
We need it. Oh,
Yep.
I know what we should do. We need to download YouTube. The page just never ends. There's no like slider. Oh, there we go. Download free YouTube free download. 40. Okay, yeah. Let's do this one.
Seems legit.
Yeah, yeah. Avast secure downloads. Yep.
Avast. Wait, wasn't Avast that previous program we tried to do in the last
WinZip.
video?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That butterfly just stopped living. Oh, never mind.
Oop.
Butterflies tend to do that after a bit.
Downloading Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime. Oh, this is totally not a Trojan at all.
File
Are you
hippo.
sure?
Uh-oh.
4K
4K
download.
4K
4K downloader. Yeah, we got it. We got it. You know.
Oh yeah, we gotta get this.
Totally.
Thank you for getting that. Okay, online. Free Robux generator. Oh my,
Oh.
yes, I agree. Set, yep, yep.
Just the fucking image of Saul.
Oh, this is still downloading. Okay, so we have two things downloading right now on the side, and we have our Robux generator going on over here. This that account is banned forever. 10,000 Robux. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, that's legit. Looking. Oh, and welcome to WinZip. Yep. Thank you. Agree.
Yep, WinZip.
Agree. Yep.
I love how it's just a phone.
It's just iPhone. Verify. Absolutely. Take my. Oh. Almost done. Download and run Opera GX browser. Sure,
hell
let's
yeah.
download Opera GX.
I mean, it's a legit site.
It's actually
The browser for
it's actually Opera GX. Okay.
The browser for gamers.
Browser for gamers. This one is still downloading, so we're gonna put that one right there. Opera GX setup is done, so we're gonna launch that. Oh, it's actually okay. Accept and install.
How many browsers do you need? Yes.
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 Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
I don't think download 4K.
No,
I
this
can't
is
read it. What does it say?
this is WinZip. It says warning 1946 property 9 oh shit. What's happening?
1946.
Jesus.
I'm sure it's
There's so
fine.
many things opening right now. Thank you for installing 4K download. Oh my gosh, there's so many things going on my desktop right now. Alright, let's find an actual YouTube video and see if it'll, like, actually download it. I'm
What if
sorry I'm
he's-
stealing YouTube revenue from you, Mr. Beast, but, like, I want to see if this works. Subscribe
Maybe
or
it
I
doesn't
take your dog. Well, that's
No,
unfortunate.
not my dog.
Okay,
I don't have a
okay.
dog.
Copy link. Alright, now we go back here. Now we paste link. Okay, there we go.
Don't mind me playing fucking Mortal Kombat
Oh
while
my
we're doing
gosh,
this.
everything. Opera GX
I'm
is
drawing
still
Weezer on my 3DS.
Why? WinZip product, thank you for installing. Okay, goodbye. I completed the offer. Where's my free Robux?
Scorpion wins.
Oh, what is
Fatality.
WinZip? Oh, what? Use
Um,
evaluation version.
That doesn't look like the WinZip I know. Opera GX
What
jump
have we
scare.
done?
Opera GX jump scare. Verify. Oh, it's
I
breaking.
cut off music.
It's breaking. It's already dying. It doesn't want to open. Oh shit. Oh, I think uh-oh. Oh, I opened too many. WinZip is not responding. That's fine. We can just X that out. Alright, we're gonna get Bonzi, buddy. We have to. It's just kind of tradition
Bonzi!
at this point.
Bonzi!
It's fine.
What if
It's
we
safe
download
enough.
Weezer EXEs?
Oh, we need to download the MIDI files. That's right.
Buddy
Oh,
Holly
yeah.
MIDI?
Buddy Holly MIDI file.
MIDI World!
MIDI World. Buddy Holly
Mm,
Weezer. Yes,
please
download,
install
download,
Flash.
download. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Ah, it's an
Weezer.
actual MIDI.
Weezer.
It's an actual MIDI file. Okay, here. I need to
No.
download MIDI software. Ooh, Softonic. Here we go.
Ooh.
Of course.
Can't say no to Softonic. The good old reliable.
Yep.
Free MIDI player, and it's 3.1 stars. Yeah, I'm sure that's fine. We can just open that in a new tab. Avast antivirus. Yeah, we can download that too. Free
Oh, thanks,
download for
Wiz.
PC. Norton private
they gotta-
browser. How many fucking browsers do I need? Obviously, I'm gonna download it, but fuck. I want my MIDI player thing. Let me get it. Thank you. That Mr. Beast video is still trying to download, by the way.
Still?
Yeah.
Dude, the notification sound keeps going off. I keep thinking it's my computer.
Oh, MIDI. Oh, that. Yep. Yep. I
Yep,
trust
looks
that.
legit.
I
Should
trust
be
it.
fine.
Oh, that's not
I
Windows
trust it.
95 at all.
Should be fine.
It should be fine.
This is fine.
Yes, run it. See, look, Saul has butterflies around him. Select
Oh
MIDI
my
file.
god.
Downloads.
Now we gotta listen to the Buddy Holly.
Play, please. It crashed!
My Buddy Holly.
Wow.
No, my buddy Holly! Wait, can I just play it from the media player? I can. I think so. I can't hear it.
Neither can I.
Oh, here we
Yeah.
go.
Oh.
Yes!
My girl. Why is it out of key?
Yes, bond.zip. Yes. Yes.
Bond.zip.
Still that shit.
Unzip the files to downloads. How was your experience? Well, I don't fucking know. Don't even know what's going on right now.
The drums just died. Oh, never mind.
No, they're back. Run as administrator. Yep. It's lagging the virtual machine.
Here comes the funny.
The funnies.
Alright, there we go. Let's not visit the product website and finish. You run as administrator. Yep.
Well, hello there.
Hello.
I
Greetings,
don't believe you've
Monty.
been properly introduced.
See,
What is your name?
this Dick and balls.
Nice to meet you, Dick and Balls. I'm your friend and mom's buddy. I have the ability to learn
friend.
from you.
Oh.
The more we search
The
and
menu's
travel
stuck on the
internet
screen.
together,
Uh-oh.
I feel just like Buddy Holly.
What does Task Manager look like?
I don't even want to like, imagine task manager.
It's probably gonna be full, no doubt.
CPU 100%.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
Firefox.
Alright, we'll close
To the,
that for
to
now.
the South Park thing. I love that we're talking about South Park because I got a Kenny plush the other day.
Download MIDI.
Oh,
Oh, there we go. What? Oh! 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 Oh!
What the
What the?
what the hell?
Turn that volume up. It's too low. There we go.
It sounds like an Undertale track.
It does.
All right. Well, I think we're gonna end this off with something destructive, you know. And before anything else, I'm gonna open my internet settings so it's off and it doesn't infect my actual computer. Change adapter options. Maybe I go in here. Oh, disable.
Disable this network drive. Yeah, probably that.
It not connected. No connections are available. Okay, so now we're completely offline. That's good. Get both
We'll
of
be
these. Yes, there we go.
Alright.
Unzip. Don't scan for viruses either, because I wanna. A password is required. God damn it. Okay, please enter a password. Fucking balls. Okay, there. Okay. Oh. Corrupt.
Oh no.
Oh, it's corrupted. That's stupid.
No.
You son of a bitch. You asshole. A password. Cock. Okay, you.
Cock.
What do you mean? Alright. This. Recycle bin. Alright. Here. Delete. WinZip. Why is it 330 megabytes?
Just that jam packed. The virtual
Okay,
machine
Dick
after
and
this.
Balls, just
Whoa.
try not to laugh at this one. Here you go, just to the retailer.
That was so random, bro. Well, looks
When
like I have to turn the internet back on. You can install Mims Trojan from Softonic.
That's hilarious.
That's
you should
awesome.
totally
I
do
want to
that.
do
do
it.
that.
What is Pony Island?
I don't know.
Don't
Download
ask.
is no longer available. God damn it. Download raw file. Yes, allow download. Alright. Alright, we're gonna exit that off. And now we're gonna turn the internet back off. Do I have to run it as administrator?
You
I
might
think you
need
have
to. Also, I think you need to run the destructive one, maybe. Or is
Oh,
that the broken one?
That's the broken one. I'm scared to run this.
You should be fine. You're behind a VM.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Have
been-
anybody
you've been
ready
fucked by
for
the Mims
some MIDI?
Trojan.
You guys ready? Alright, we're gonna play some MIDI files again.
It's a fitting send off.
It is, yes, very
just-
much.
We're just weezering the audience at this point.
Yes.
Yeah, Buddy Holly! What's with these home? He's sisters, my girl.
It's trying to open browser tabs, but it can't because I shut off the internet.
It's lagging.
It's lagging so bad.
Oh. The video is dying.
Yeah.
Oh,
Google.co.ck.
CK.
Google.cock?
Google.cock! If we're gonna send it off, we gotta do it while drawing something. It's shaking now.
I mean, someone has control, probably.
Look at it's shaking the window. Look at that.
Oh my god!
Untitled notepad. It just opened notepad for me.
Oh,
4.
no. What do we do? 4!
4.
I can't run.
You're not
I can't
doing
shake.
anything, right?
No, 4, 1. Oh, sh.
Oh!
Oh, sh.
Oh!
4, 1, K.
41,000.
41,000. This is awesome.
PC
bro.
Optimizer Pro.
PC Optimizer
Dude.
Pro. Still using this computer? Yes, I
It's
am.
destroyed.
Hell yeah, we are.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
the Weezer just stopped for a second.
Oh,
Seizure mode engaged.
no internet. Oh shit. It's going
No
haywire.
PC Optimizer Pro for us. We're still using it, baby.
Yeah, we're still. Oh my god, Bonzi Buddy turned terrifying. Look at that.
Oh, my
god.
Dude, that's gonna haunt my nightmares.
Same.
What is
For a
going
split
on?
second, oh god.
Still using this computer? I'm trying to, definitely. Okay, let's try to draw something. Okay, that's still
Yeah,
works.
draw something.
Oh,
I still think it should.
Oh,
Oh, what is that? Oh,
it
okay.
broke the MIDI. I want to see what the wallpaper during this whole thing. Oh
Yeah.
my
oh
god.
no.
Oh my god.
It's zooming out.
It's doing the thing.
The butterflies are escaping.
Oh,
Oh.
oh no.
Buddy Holly, no. Oh.
Are you having audio problems?
Sound problem.
Are we?
Problem.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh, ah.
Oh.
it's fighting back.
Oh, it's fighting back. Ah. Ah.
Right down my head.
Ah.
Weezer!
Oh. Oh.
Weezer!
Oh.
Oh my god.
Weezer, please.
That's how he said
Weezer,
it.
please.
Oh my god.
Weezer,
I
please.
don't think Weezer wants to save us.
I can't even see my fucking mouse cursor anymore.
You gotta reset. Or shut it down. Or force reset. That's what I'm gonna say. Fuck.
It's fine, don't worry about it. It's fine, don't worry about it. It's fine, don't worry about it. This is usable. This is usable. See, I can still draw on paint. That's how you know it's still going.
It's trying to die.
It's trying to communicate with me. No, we lost
What do you
Weezer!
want?
Fuck!
Oh no. Oh, so many pop-ups. Oh my god.
There's so many pop-ups. There's so many pop-ups.
Dude. I'm surprised it hasn't crashed yet. How the f-
No. Dude, the high-pitched, like, beeps it's making, it's hurting my ears.
Stop me if you've heard this one.
Okay?
What?
Go on. Go on.
Go on.
We're all ears. We're all ears.
What did the beaver say to the tree?
What did he?
Oh,
It's been nice
gnawing
gnawing you. Did he just give himself a applause?
this is fine. It just opened Task Manager on its own, by the way.
Where do I come
Oh.
up with these?
I can't even. I can't.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh my god. Ah.
Jesus
What was
Christ!
that? It was
What
trying
the
to
hell?
music. It was trying to music.
It was trying to music.
I'm surprised it hasn't
Oh,
like
it's not-
crashed fully yet.
Yeah, me too, bro. It's beeping. It's like giving me fucking like Morse code or some
The president?
Anybody that speaks Morse
White
code,
House?
comment down below what that means.
It just opened control panel.
Oh no. That's bad.
I'm sure it's.
Sorry, bad, but you get the point.
It's opening shit.
Ronald Reagan? May 5th?
Okay, I
Morse
think I might.
restore.
I think I might need to. Power,
What?
power. Restart.
Go on.
Failed to reset.
Failed to restart. You know shit gets real.
Oh, you know shit gets real when it fails to restart
No.
the fucking
Oh,
virtual
no.
machine. Power, shut down. Yes, shut down.
Shut
please.
down, shut down.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
And
god.
now
Okay.
power it back on.
Dude, we're never gonna power this shit back on. In fact, I'm gonna do this. Manage, delete from disk.
Oh,
Yes.
Delete?
No, wait.
Oh man.
I don't want it f***ing up my actual computer. It seemed like it was about to as well.
Okay, fair enough.